Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that's a lot of Kik users struggle with. How to add people back on Kik. Whether you accidentally delete someone or just want to reconnect, I've got you covered. It's a super simple process, so let's get into it. So maybe you delete someone by accident or you lost touch with your friend and want to reconnect. Either ways, adding someone back on Kik is easier than you think. You don't need to start from scratch. Let me show you how to find and add people back in just a few easy steps. First of all, open up your Kik app. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, head over the chat tab where you will see a conversation. If you have previously chatted with the person you want to add back, they should still show in your chat history. Just tap onto their name to open the chat and you can start messaging them again. But what if you can't find them in your chat? If the person you are looking for isn't in your chat history, don't worry, you can still add them back by using their username. To do that, tap onto the search icon and then type in their name. Once you find their profile, just tap on it and hit the add button. Now you are back in touch. You can send the message, and that's all there is to it. Whether you have deleted someone by accident, want to reconnect, or add people back on Kik is a breeze. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want more Kik tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected everyone.